Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I want you to imagine that you have a customer and the customer is talking to you but then suddenly says, "Oh, I need to go, or can you call me back after an hour on the following number?" And it starts with 0913. So my question is right away, do you know what network that is? And if you don't, no worries at all, because on CouponBet you can search this and find the answer in a matter of seconds. So first of all, to figure out what network it is, just log in on couponbet.com. Once you're logged in, you're on the dashboard and just click here on the tools. And on the tools tab, you can see all the tools we have. So we have to scroll all down to the bottom, and in the bottom you can see here the provider prefix checker, where we can find exactly which network a prefix has. So let's search for that right away. So we type in 0913 and there you are. So you can see instantly this is a smart network. So now you know exactly with what phone you have to call. This tool is really designed to help you and your agents to be more organized and to serve your customers even better. So if you like this tool and you find it very useful for your own travel agency, just go to couponbet.com and register right now.